Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is all about putting together 10 planter boxes. I went to Bunnings the other day and bought 10 square planter boxes. They're around $20 each. The garden beds I got are rectangle raised garden beds, and they are 1800 by 900 wide by 300 high. A little bit smaller than the planter boxes that I got before, but I ran out of time the other day to put them together. So today the sun is shining again, so hopefully we can get it done while the sun is out. I've called in Liam to give me a hand to put them together. I thought they were going to be easy, click together like the other planter boxes were, but I think we're going to have to use the drill after all. But still, I think they might be pretty easy to do. So that's what today's about. Today we're putting together 10 planter boxes for the next phase of the veggie garden. Guess what time it is? Time to put the planters together. Okay, seriously, I don't think I need all the safety equipment to screw in a screw. But anyway, I've got the drill charged, ready to go. But like I said, I haven't used the drill before, so I've called in recruits. I'm handing it to you. There you go. These are the two end bits, so I think we must join. Here's the freaking instructions. There's the instructions. Let's read the instructions, hey? These instructions are not easy at all. Why is it on an angle though? Do you know? Man, we got 10 of these put together. Oh! Stabbed him. Ah, there we go. What's it screwing to though? What's it screwing to? Oh, I am no good at following instructions, especially when there's no step-by-step ripped up instructions. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's got it upside down to start with. It's meant to be that way. That don't fit very well, does it? Do these even have numbers on them? No. 10 hours later. Are these? Why don't they fit in there? Or does this go underneath? Is this the bottom? We think we figured it out. It looks like it's on an angle, but by the time it's put together it might sit straight. So you don't need to drill at all then, maybe. Doesn't, does it? Just doesn't look right. Oh, hang on, that's upside down, Liam. Lucky we noticed. Almost did it upside down. I think so far it's taken us, how long? Half an hour? And we've only done half of one. So we've lost the sunshine, the clouds have come back. It looks like it might rain again. So that was short-lived. Half a morning of off and on sun. Oh! This is like tricky. This is not easy at How many more to go? 9.5? All right, here I go. Let's go. Ready? Oh, I'm an expert now. Is that it? Done? Oh, yes. All right, finally done. No help at all. Ripped up instructions, gone. All right, I think I'm pretty confident I can probably do the next 9. Liam, do you think?